back everyone. Thank you for visiting our channel. Today, we are excited to present cultural comedy. Jokes that make you smile, no matter where you're from. Let's begin. If this video does not make you laugh, we hope it will make you at least smile. Why did the sushi chef get promoted? Because he was on a roll. How do you know when a Chinese person has a good sense of humor? When their jokes are wok, solid. What did the dumpling say to the noodle at the party? You really know how to stir things up. Why did the Indian chef become an artist? Because he knew how to curry favor with colors. What did the samosa say to the chai? You're my perfect dip. How did the Indian student do in his math exam? He found the paneer of the problem. Why did the rice cooker apply for a job? Because it wanted to be a little more steamed than usual. Why did the dosa break up with the idli? It felt they were just too flat for each other. How do you celebrate a successful curry? You non-stop dancing. How do you know when a Filipino is having a great time? They start singing karaoke, with or without a mic. Why don't Filipino ghosts ever scare anyone? Because they're always just trying to booty nice. What did the Filipinos say when they finished their meal? That was so good. I think I'm ready for a second round of rice. Why did the Filipino chef get promoted? Because they could really sizzle in the kitchen. What do you call a Filipino superhero? Captain Adobo, saving the world one delicious dish at a time. How does a Filipino say goodbye? I'll see you later, unless there's more food. Why was the Filipino rice always calm? Because it knew how to stay cooked under pressure. What do you call a group of musical US band of brothers, always hitting the high notes? Why did the American football team go to the bank to get their quarterback? How do you know if someone is American? Don't worry, they'll tell you within 5 minutes. Why did the Americans sit on the clock? Because they wanted to be on time. Why are American roads so interesting? Because they always lead you to the nearest diner. What's an American's favorite exercise? A couch potato, workout marathon, binge watching all day. How do you know if someone is British? Don't worry, they'll be apologizing for bumping into you within seconds. Why do the British always carry an umbrella? Because a sunny day is just a chance for a good downpour to surprise them. What's a British person's favorite type of music? Anything with a good tea rhythm. What do you call a British bear who loves tea? A free-for-all creature. Why do British people make terrible secret agents? They can't help but spill the tea. What's a British person's favorite game? Guess the queue, because waiting is an art form. Why do the British never get lost? Because every road eventually leads to a pub. What do you call a Vietnamese who loves to sing? Karaoke on a hand star. Why did the rice noodle break up with the soup? Because it felt like it was in a broth or sister relationship. How do Vietnamese people prefer to travel? By motorbike. Because it's the best way to get a ride of their life. How does an Indonesian magician make nasi goreng disappear? He just takes a wok at it. Why do Indonesian bananas always get invited to parties? Because they bring appealing energy. How do Indonesians stay cool in the hot weather? They just look for some shade from the coconut trees. What did the Indonesian say when he finished his meal? That was so good. I stay longer. Why did the tourists visit Indonesia? To experience the Bali of life. What did the Koreans say when they won the cooking competition? I'm so proud of this. What's a Korean's favorite game? Tag. Everyone runs to hide their secret recipes. How do Koreans stay so fit? They always hula while making kimbap. Why did the sushi chef get in trouble? Because he kept throwing fish around. Talk about a tuna in trouble. Why did the samurai always carry a pencil? In case he needed to draw his sword. How do you compliment Japanese people? You say, you're truly udon de full. Why did the ninja get kicked out of school? Because he kept disappearing during class. Why don't ninjas ever play hide and seek? Because good luck hiding when they're the ones seeking. What did the ninja say to the chef? You really know how to slice it. How do you know a ninja is at your party? Don't worry, you won't. How do ninjas communicate? They use silent messages. What do you call a ghost's true love? Phantom, soulmate. Why don't ghosts like rainy weather? Because it dampens their spirits. What kind of music do ghosts listen to? Soul music. Why did the Iraqi football team bring string to the game? Because they wanted to tie the score. Why do Iraqi libraries have so many books? Because they love to read between the lines. Why don't Brazilians play hide and seek? Because good luck hiding when you can't stop dancing. What's a Brazilian's favorite type of music during a picnic? Samba sandwiches. What did the Brazilian say to your wife? Arroz, into new heights. What do you call a Brazilian with a great sense of humor? Bacanalicious, comedian. How do you know a Brazilian is happy? They're always ready to carnival. Why did the British man break up with his tea? Because it was starting to feel a little too steep. Why did the Brazilian cross the road? To get to the other side of the carnival. What do you call cheese that isn't yours? Nacho cheese. What do you call a soldier who survived mustard gas and pepper spray? A seasoned veteran. Why did the airplane break up with its girlfriend? Because it had too many baggage issues. And there you have it. I hope these brought you laughter, if not at least a smile. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.